TDCHAT allows you to communicate privately with any user worldwide directly within TouchDesigner. You can send messages, images, and live values, enabling remote control of another user's installations. Let's see how to use it. If you want to join a chat room, there's no need to install anything. The host will send you a secure address, just copy and paste it. Then, click Join, and you'll be connected to the chat room. If the connection is lost, simply click Reconnect. You can clear the chat by pressing this button. To host a chat room, you'll need to complete a one-time setup. Detailed instructions can be found in the README file. First, visit the ngrok website and create an account. Then, go to the download page and download the zip file for your Mac. Ensure the zip file is in your Downloads folder. Next, open your terminal and enter the sudo command. The exact command may vary depending on your machine. After that, install WS by running this command in your terminal. Finally, install Node.js using the pre-built installer. Once everything is set up, you're ready to host a chat room in TouchDesigner. Open the project and click on Create Chat Room. You'll then need to enter your ngrok token, which you can find on your ngrok account page. Paste the token and click Create File. After completing these steps, you won't need to repeat them in the future. Then, click Create again. This will establish a secure server and provide a secret address that you can share with anyone you want to join. Once everything is set, you can enter the chat room and start chatting.